Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your Instacart shopper account so you can start shopping and earning money instantly. Just follow these step-by-step instructions and you'll be on your way to becoming a successful Instacart shopper. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for an Instacart shopper account. If you haven't already, visit the Instacart website or download the Instacart app. Click on the Sign Up button to create your shopper account. You will need to provide your email address, create a password, and enter some basic personal information. Step 2. Complete your profile. Once you've signed up, complete your profile by filling out additional information such as your name, phone number, and address. This information is essential for setting up your account and receiving orders. Step 3. Go through the background check. Instacart requires all shoppers to pass a background check. After you submit your profile, you will automatically be prompted to complete this step. Be prepared to provide your social security number and any other relevant details. The background check can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Step 4. Download the shopper app. Next, download the Instacart shopper app from the App Store or Google Play. This app is crucial as it will be your main tool for receiving orders and communicating with customers. Step 5. Log in to the shopper app. Open the app and log in using the same credentials you used to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll find valuable resources and tips on how to start your shopping journey. Step 6. Set your availability. After logging in, you can set your availability to let Instacart know when you are ready to shop. Select the days and times that work best for you to begin receiving order notifications. Step 7. Start accepting orders. As orders come in, you can choose to accept or decline them based on your preference. If you accept an order, the app will guide you through the shopping process, including a list of items and their locations in the store. Step 8. Complete your first order. Once you've completed shopping for an order, follow the app's instructions for payment and delivery. Be sure to communicate with the customer if there are any issues or substitutes needed for items they requested. Step 9. Get paid. After delivering the order, you will receive payment directly to your bank account. Familiarize yourself with the payment system to understand how and when you will be compensated for your shopping efforts. Now you know how to activate your Instacart shopper account and start shopping and earning instantly. We hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more great content.